1,000 feet,
video.
turn right onto Bomber Avenue.
And the GPS is just going. But yeah, I know it's been a long time, but it's not like my heart is in the right place. I want to make videos, but honestly, having a full-time job, being a mom and a wife, it's hard to make these YouTube videos, or at least stay consistent. It's hard. And my schedule is very demanding. Hold on one second. Yeah, so as I was saying, my schedule is really demanding because I'm up at like 3:50 every morning. Gotta go to the gym. After gym, I gotta go to work. After work, I gotta go get TJ at school. Then he got homework. And you know, people gotta eat, so sometimes I gotta cook. Sometimes I don't even have the energy to do that. But that schedule is tight. When I tell y'all it's tight. But I'm trying to get back to it so I can make more videos. This week is spring break, so he's off for a week. So we're going out and doing little things. So why does he look so sad? But yeah, we're going out doing little things here and there. So we'll record some of the moments and put some videos out there so y'all can see. But this is not a promise that we're back full time, but we're trying to dedicate some more time to making videos. So hopefully I can do it. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, y'all can check out some of the stuff that we've been doing this week just to have some fun, you know. But yeah, hopefully y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so we just left the arcade and we made a little detour. We stopped at this store we saw and got some snacks. Not too much, just to try out some stuff, you know. Now this reminds me of this thing we eat back in Jamaica. It's called grater cake coconut snack. This orange flavored salted plum, I don't even know. I'm up for the challenge though. And then this sandwich cookies with chocolate filling. Can't be too bad, huh?
Yeah.
Which one try first? Let's try this one first.
Yeah, I would rather try it.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's gonna be good. Yeah. Little thingamajig. Chocolatey. Good enough.
Tastes like peanut butter.
Actually, it tastes like Nutella. However you say it, okay? To me, it's pronounced Nutella, and that's what I say.
Pretty good.
I like it.
Good too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the rest of that. That's pretty good. You don't want no more?
It looks good.
You know, TJ's the type to say, "Oh, this is good." Okay, do you want some more? No, I'm okay. Or you say, TJ, did you like it? Well, I liked it a little bit. When he says he likes it a little bit, that means no. Let's try this one. El Super Leon coconut candy. I don't know if y'all can hear the noise, but it's the planes on the bass. Loud.
Well,
let's try this.
I don't remember having that when I was a baby.
Because this, I had it when I was in Jamaica.
Oh. Okay, I want to try the red pepper.
It don't taste the same. Actually, it really does taste like the grater cake that we had back home. It's just the flavoring. Obviously, it's the Mexican colors. But
Pretty good.
coconut stuff. Can't beat that. Coconut sugar, whatever. That's good. That's a winner. TJ, I feel like you should try this one first. Hola.
It kind of tastes like bacon.
You don't know what it tastes like. but it's plums.
Oh, plums.
Yes. You want?
Is it hard to bite?
It's a seed.
A seed.
I can't eat that.
No, me either.
I cannot eat that.
Me either.
Oh no.
It tastes like.
It smells funny.
And it tastes.
It's it really it's salty. It's sour. I don't know what it smells like.
Me either. And why does it taste?
It kind of tastes like the tamarind balls, but not really. Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Me either.
This one would be an acquired taste. So if you didn't grow up on this, you probably wouldn't like it at all. Yeah, that one's not for me.
Me either.
But in the next clips, y'all gonna see us at the arcade 2 different days. Today and one of the other days we went. So y'all enjoy that. All right, peace out.
Set, go! You play in the lead. Green took first place. Did you see that?
Best believe I'ma win.
New player in the lead. Radical! And down goes Green.
TJ, press 2 times to go faster.
Just got right.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah! On fire! Did you see that? Down goes Green.
Well, dang. Just keep driving. Uh-oh, I'm dying.
Congratulations!
Who won?
Great race! And first place belongs to
Oh, yeah, I did.
Player 3.
Yeah. But she got second. High five. Yeah.
Next
You cheating. Uh-oh. TJ, send it back. Ah. Nah, you won. You won. Go. Hold on. That was only 10 tickets. We need more. Man. Let me try. Let's see if I can do better. Where'd I go? Are you serious? Nah, they're my teeth. Cause this time we gonna go harder, okay? Let's see.
Way too hard. Come on, tough guy.
Oh, that's too hard. Well, how do I know what's not? Man, go. TJ, you have to hit all of them. Fast. TJ, you gotta hit them. Fast. Fast. TJ, all of them. You're missing. Yes, hit both of them. Man. What was your score? 18. Here you go. Pull it hard. You better get some big tick. No. TJ, you got 1,000 tickets. You got 1,000 tickets. Hold on. Let's wait until the tickets are loaded.
Oh my God.
Boy, you got 1,000. You hit the jackpot. Nice. High five. Yeah.
Man. Wait.
Still going. So that's saying how much we have left to go. And this is where we're at. Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
You know you're going to be able to get one of those big prizes now, right?
Yeah. Because I have 1,000. Why is it taking so long?
Because it's 1,000.
1,000.
Yes.
Yes.
1,091, boy.
0.
There it is. Oh, there it is.
Let's go!
TJ, go on the yellow thing. There you go. Because you'll go faster. Go on it. Go on it. No, the blue thing. Go on the blue thing to go faster. Yeah, go on the blue thing. Go on the blue thing. Keep going. There's another blue one. Nice.
I'm a good driver.
You are. Go on the blue thing. First place. You won. Nice. Go. Jesus peace. What else in them teeth? Wow. Well, let me try.
I know you.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Trigger them teeth.
Try again.
26, talking about trying. Bonus again.
Yeah.
2 times in a row.
Yeah.
And we hit bonus the other day. On a roll. Let's see how much this one is. Let's see. Oh, 100. Y'all just don't get it. This is the 3rd bonus. This is the 3rd bonus in a row on this game right here.
Yeah.
Polar slide. I hit the bonus and TJ hit it twice. You hear me? We on a roll this week, boy.